How to create anchor links. First, I want to talk about what an anchor link is and when it should be used. An anchor link is a link that will jump to another portion of the page, a particular spot on the page. Regular linking will take you to another web page, and it always puts you at the top of that web page. Anchor linking, you can direct where on the page you want that anchor to work. Now, you don't want to use anchor links for everything, but some good uses for anchor links are on something like a glossary of terms, or you could have the A to Z at the top and click on the letter, and it would drop down to the catalog of words that begin with that particular letter. Another use is with text links, which I'm going to show you here. So we're on the frequently asked questions page for the graphic design program, and I have 10 questions here. It might be that someone doesn't want to scroll down through all of the questions, and so I've listed the questions up here at the top, and they can choose which ones they want to link to. So what happens is if something is linked with an anchor, like question number 9, I click on question number 9, and it will jump down so that that portion of the page is viewable. It does not mean that that particular portion will come up to the top of the screen here. They will just show the section of page that is applicable to the link that you're going to. So let's go ahead and try this and see how it works out. I'm going to go ahead and click on my Edit tab. And now I'm in on Edit, and I'm going to scroll down so you can see everything here. Let's go ahead and do one that's down near the bottom of the page. Or how about let's take number 6 here. So we're going to take number 6. That's going to be our link. Now we have to create somewhere for that link to go, just like if it was going to a new web page. This time it's going to go to a spot on this page that we're on. So I need to create my anchor first. It's going to be the number 6. You can see the number 6 there. So I'll scroll down to number 6. I'm going to place my cursor right in front of it. I'm right here. And I'm going to come up here and I'm going to get my anchor link. And the anchor link is located here. The regular link is located over here. So I'm going to create the anchor link, and I'm going to call this 6. And make sure you name it something that makes sense to use, so if you have to do editing later, it'll be an easier job. And I'm going to say insert. Now I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a little tiny anchor right there. And that anchor lets me know that there is a name here now, and that's what we're going to link to. So let's go back up here to number 6. Now we're going to create our actual link. I'll highlight the text for the link, go up to my link it icon. Now this is where it's a little bit different than regular links. I'm going to go down to the target path. I'm going to use the £, and after the £, I'm going to type in the anchor name. In that case, we called it 6. You can see why we want to keep things simple on this naming convention here. So we'll insert a link. You'll see that it turned into a link here because it's underlined, and we've got our anchor name, our anchor link here. And so now what we're going to do is save the page or preview the page. Let's go ahead and preview the page, see what it looks like. There we are. And here's number 6. Let's go ahead and click on it. Whoops. That was good. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and save this. Once I save it, then we can click on it, and it works. You do have to save it. You cannot be in preview. That was a good lesson for me. I did not know that. So in order to get your anchor link to work, you do need to save it first. But you can see there's the number 6 right here. Another common use of anchor tags are for things like a back to the top link. Your anchor, the named anchor, would be at the top, and your link would be down here at the bottom, and it would say back to the top, and you would turn that into the link. So that's anchor linking in a nutshell. Now, you can link to another page and have that link go to a different page and also link to somewhere on that document, wherever you want it to go. The only difference in doing that than doing it the first way that we did for the page anchor link, let me go back to edit here so I can show you this. Let's say that we wanted one of these to go to another page somewhere. We could click on that. Our link. Your target path, you would have to put in the page or the node. Then you would put in the numeral, and we'll say 17 on that one. And that would create a link to another page and an anchor link to a specific spot on that page. I don't recommend using that very often because if one page changes, then it's your linking system isn't going to work anymore. So I usually use anchor linking when I'm on one page and it's a very long page, like a glossary or maybe a list of questions or something of that nature. To delete an anchor link, what you need to do, let me show you here, is just like other links. For the link portion, you would just highlight that link, go up to your editing menu bar, and click the little broken link here that's next to the anchor. To get rid of the anchor, you just need to come down here and type to the right of the anchor and hit delete. And it did push my my sentence up one, but that's okay. I just have to do a little bit of cleanup there, and now everything is back to normal. And so there we are without the anchor link. And that's it. That's anchor linking. And I am going to save.